Today I'll be showing you how to create an event against a service user or a client's record. To do this, we firstly need to access our Service User tab here at the top. This might also be called Client depending on how your environment's been configured. Once within Service User, we're going to scroll down to Service User and Find, and this is to locate the client's record that we wish to place the event against. For the example today, I'm going to use Ollie Catchpole here. To get into his record, we simply want to press the arrow to the left of his name. Once we press the arrow, we are brought through to the core of his information, and to create a new event, we simply want to scroll our mouse over to the Quick Links menu here on the right hand side. Once we press Events, we are taken through to where we can create a new event for Ollie Catchpole's record. To add a new one, we want to press the plus button on the right hand side of the page. Once we press the plus button, we are greeted by our data entry phase. Here we can select the type of event that it might be, whether this could be a complaint, a compliment, or an accident and an incident. For the example today, I'm going to use accident and incident. Working our way down the page, we have a reported by. This can be absolutely anyone. This could be the service user themselves reporting it, it could be the employee, it could be Joe Bloggs down the road, it could be absolutely anyone. For the example today, I'm just going to use myself as Alec. Within the notes field, we are simply just going to be typing up some brief or detailed notes as to what this event might be. So for the example today, as accident and incident, I'm going to say Ollie has had a fall and is now in hospital. Once we've completed these fields, we can then press the Save button here on the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once we press Save, the tab called Assigned To becomes available to us. If you want to assign an event to a system user, this will essentially alert them when they're logging in that there is an event against a record. If you don't assign this, it's only going to alert you via the means of dashboards. For the example today, I'm going to select Joe Bloggs and click Save in the bottom right hand side of the page. Once we press Save, we can now move back to our home area, and we can see here at the top right hand side of the page we are alerted that there's an event. And here actually on the home page itself we can see that the event here is also showing, and it's Ollie has had a fall and it's an accident or incident. We can drill directly into this area and we can see exactly what the event is, when it was raised and who by. Once the event has now been closed, we can change this status from open to close the event. Once we've changed these drop-down box here, we want to press Save in the bottom right hand side of the page, and this will close the event. As you can see now, the event warning triangle at the top right hand side of the page has now disappeared, and the event line that was previously here has now disappeared, and that's because we've now closed the open event. That is how to create and set up a new event against a service user's record. Thank you for watching.